Hey guys, I'm back. I'm fixing to film episode 6 of My Patio Is a Jungle. As you know, I always just put down a pan of cat food and I see what comes up on my patio. I live here in town and you never know what you're going to get. There's a lot of animals like cat food besides cats. But I'm going to do something a little different today. This is my little $37 Wyze Cam Pan security camera. It's basically an indoor camera, but hey, I'm out here on the patio, so it's not going to get wet or anything. I've just got it on a tripod. I'm going to look down at the cat food and we're going to see what comes on my patio. So stay tuned. We'll be right back with the footage. Well, ain't it amazing how many animals come up on a patio when you got cat food? Everything loves cat food. Again, I used this Wyze Cam Pan. Lots of videos out there on YouTube about this camera, how to use it. 37 bucks. If you get you one for $37, you can have a whole lot of fun. Put you a pan of cat food on your patio. You may be surprised what you get. Hey, if you enjoyed this, hey, please give me a thumbs up. Check out the other videos in this series. Until next time, I will catch you later.